So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Aarti Drug Share. So many people are having queries regarding the technicals of Aarti Drugs. So previously, when we discussed about this particular stock, we have done the complete technical analysis, and also regarding the buyback issue, we have discussed all the details. So many people had queries why it is not going up. So what are the major reasons? So that all we'll try to find out. And today, if we see market condition, again it is little volatile. So morning we have seen a good movement in the stocks, but later again a little profit booking was seen at the end session. So ultimately it is the technicals which matter. So we'll try to find out what would be the next possible targets. So make sure you watch the video till end, and if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so if we see the deliverables versus traded quantity of Aarti Drugs in today's trading session, so you can see almost 11 lakh shares have been traded, and you can see almost 4 lakh shares have been taken into deliverables, and you can see percentage wise, you can see 38.26% deliveries have been taken. So in Telegram, we are discussing all the stocks technically also. So when it is taking any support, basically I'm updating in the Telegram, I'm putting the technical chart, and also in Instagram, if you're messaging me personally, I'm also discussing the targets. So you can definitely join the Telegram. So many people are having queries that they're not able to join the Telegram. So if you're not able to join the Telegram through link, so you can also go to the Telegram app. So there at the top search box, you can type stocks diary. So by that means also you can join the group. It is not that only with the help of link you can join. You can also type the name and also you can join. Okay, so if we compare the day-to-day wise deliverable, so currently today we have seen a very good 38% deliveries have been taken. But if you go previously, if you go 5 to 6 days back, so that time we can see deliveries are almost 30-31. So average deliveries are almost 28 to 30%. But now since it is increasing the deliverable quantities, because almost it is present at the support region. So we know that recently also few buybacks come again when the stock doesn't react that much. Basically we know that buyback happens at a certain price, and many people expect that it should go to that particular level. So it is not always like that. If you see recently NIT, so NIT, which is IT company, so that has also issued a buyback near 230 rupees level. So after that considerably the stock has gone down, but later after few sessions again they started pumping. The same thing happens. So they try to create a panic situation, and when you exit, so they start moving the stock upwards. But this particular stock, fundamentally it's very strong. Quarter results also it has given very good thing, and upcoming quarter results are yet to be released by Aarti Drugs. So that's why we are seeing some positive shifts in the share. Okay, so deliveries are increasing. That is a good note. Only thing is market is little volatile. So if that settles, then definitely the stock also will start reversing. So quickly let's go to technical charts and we'll see what are the supports and resistances. Okay, so we're back on to the technical charts, and you can see this is the 1-day chart of Aarti Drugs, and you can see currently it is near 736.25 and it is almost showing 3.36% positive movement. Okay, so first when you see when the update regarding buyback has come, so that time it has shown a very good movement. So after that continuous correction was seen in the stock. Okay, so after that we know that technically the stock was reacting not on news based. So there you can see the stock was respecting the 50-day exponential moving average. So hope you have put all these indicators as we discussed in earlier videos also. So there you can see when it has come down, it has taken a very good support, and now it is trying to cross this particular resistance which is coming near 740. So this particular level is the next immediate resistance. So if it crosses that, definitely from where it has started falling, that is from 770, 780, so it will start approaching that particular level. So definitely you need to focus on this. So since market is also little flat, little consolidation is seen, so that's why stock is not able to generate that buying momentum. So apart from that, you can see money flow index, earlier it went to overbought region, so after that it has come down, and again now it is trying to retrace to that particular levels. Okay, so that was in 1 day chart. In 1 week chart, you can see the most important thing. Okay, so the most important thing is that it is not able to cross the 200-day exponential moving average. So that is becoming a very strong hurdle for the company. So if you see, almost two times it had tested that 776 rupees level. You can see here, one time, two times, almost two times it has tested that 776, but it is not able to cross the 200-day exponential moving average, and it is retracing, and again it is taking the support. Okay, so on swings it is operating very well. For breakout, I am telling, for breakout from this particular level, so crossing 776 with volume is necessary. So if it does, so first 740 as we discussed in 1 day chart, so if it does that successfully, then 776, which is the 200-day exponential moving average, so if it breaks that, definitely it will continue the new rally. So patience is required. So definitely focus on the levels which you have discussed and try to average at that particular levels. And you can see money flow index has remained flat, so little consolidation is seen at that particular levels. It implies little accumulation is also present. Okay, so since there is nothing negative regarding the company, especially related to fundamentals, so definitely you can hold this particular stock, and at the levels which you have discussed, you can try to average there. Okay, so these are the basic levels. So in Telegram, we are discussing other stocks as well, so do watch them. And also, if you have any doubts, definitely you can message me in Instagram. So clarify your doubts regarding any share, because when you clarify, then only you will have the clarity, that is confidence will increase. Okay, so message in Instagram as well. Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. Okay, so until then, take care. Bye bye.